We are going to understand the basics of cooking. We will first try understand about cuisine. Cuisine refers to a specific style or type of cooking characterized by distinct techniques, ingredients, flavors, and cultural influences. It is a reflection of a country's culinary traditions, can vary widely across different cultures. Each cuisine has its own unique set of cooking methods, ingredients, and flavor profiles. Broad categories of cuisine are: first, Asian cuisine. This category encompasses a wide range of cuisines from East, South, Southeast, and Central Asia. Examples include Chinese, Japanese, Korean, Thai, Indian, Vietnamese, and Malaysian cuisine. Second is European cuisine. European cuisine consists of various regional country within Europe has its own distinct culinary traditions and signature dishes. Third is Mediterranean cuisine. This category includes the cuisines of countries bordering the Mediterranean Sea, such as Greek, Italian, Spanish, Turkish, and Lebanese cuisine. It often features ingredients like olive oil, fresh vegetables, seafood, and aromatic herbs. Fourth, Middle Eastern cuisine. Middle Eastern cuisine includes the traditional foods of countries like Iran, Iraq, Saudi Arabia, Lebanon, Israel, and Egypt. It is characterized by the use of ingredients such as lamb, rice, chickpeas, dates, and various spices. Fifth, Latin American cuisine. This category covers the cuisines of Central and South America, including Mexican, Brazilian, Peruvian, Argentinian, and Colombian cuisine. It often features ingredients like corn, beans, rice, chilies, and tropical fruits. Sixth, African cuisine. African cuisine varies across different regions and countries. It includes diverse culinary traditions such as Moroccan, Ethiopian, Nigerian, South African, and Senegalese cuisine. Ingredients like grains, legumes, meat, vegetables, and spices are commonly used. Seventh, North American cuisine. North American cuisine encompasses the culinary traditions of the United States and Canada. It includes a mix of indigenous, European, and immigrant influences, resulting in diverse regional cuisines like Tex-Mex, Southern, Cajun, and Canadian cuisine. These are just some broad categories of cuisine, and within each category, there are numerous regional and local variations that further define the culinary traditions of a specific area or country.